Let me introduce you to GAIL, the Gas Authority of India. Limited, India's largest state-owned natural gas company. Established way back in 1984, headquartered in New Delhi. GAIL isn't just another PSU, it's a Maharatna, which means it's among the most valuable public sector companies in the country. Now, what exactly does GAIL do? Think of it as the backbone of India's natural gas infrastructure. GAIL owns and operates over 16,000 kilometers of pipelines connecting gas sources, ONGC oil major LNG terminals to industries, power plants, refineries, city gas networks across the nation. But that's just the start. GAIL also imports and markets liquefied natural gas, LNG, from suppliers as far away as Qatar, the US, and Australia. In the petrochemical space, they produce essential materials like polyethylene and polypropylene, key ingredients in everything from packaging to cars and textiles. You'll find GAIL's presence in city gas too. Through subsidiaries like Indraprastha Gas, Mahanagar Gas, they supply piped natural gas to homes and compressed natural gas for vehicles in cities like Delhi and Mumbai. GAIL doesn't stop at gas. They're investing in renewables, setting up solar, wind, and even India's largest hydrogen blending pilot project. Of course, there are challenges. Dependence on imported LNG, tough terrains for new pipelines, and competition from renewables. But their plans are bold. Double the pipeline network by 2030 and ramp up green investments. In short, GAIL is powering India's cleaner energy future. One pipeline, one city, and one innovation at a time.